Let's face it, there's a lot of Indonesian and Malaysian restaurants around, and sometimes the quality of their food is, well, variable. So my friend Intan's mum's family recipe for a traditional rendang will be a surefire hit. It's rich, slow cooked and braised in a coconut milk seasoned with a herb and spice mixture until the liquids evaporate and the meat turns dark brown, caramelized and tender. It's a bit of a comfort food for me and something I cook when I need a lift or it's a chilly day outside. So I'll shut up and we'll get on with it. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. Prep work as always first. Let's toast a desiccated coconut on a low heat, keeping an eye on it and moving it around frequently so it toasts and colours, but it doesn't burn. When it reaches a medium brown, take it off the heat, pop it into a bowl so it stops cooking. Time to get the spice paste on the go. Soak the dried chili in hot water for about 30 minutes or so until they soften. Then roughly chop the spice paste ingredients, pop them in a spice blender or processor. So why am I using ginger paste? Because I'm an idiot and I bought turmeric root instead of ginger. Luckily, I cook curries. Add a couple of tablespoons of oil and blend them to a smooth paste. Heat a small amount of oil in a large pot. Add the spice paste and fry. The paste contains oil too, so we'll be blooming and activating all those spices. Fry for about 5 minutes or so. Now we can add the beef and the smashed up lemongrass stalk. I've cut the beef about 1.5 inches square so it'll be meltingly soft after stewing. Give them all a good stir. Then add the hard spices, the cinnamon, star anise, cardamom et al. After 10 minutes, it's time for the liquids, so we can add the coconut milk and the water. Followed by the fine slivers of lime leaves. Now, pop the top on the pot, put it on a gentle heat and allow it to stew gently away for 10 minutes or so until the beef is basically cooked. Now it's time for the sugar, the salt and the toasted coconut. Give it all a good stir, put the lid back on and simmer gently away for 1.5 hours on a low heat. Stir it from time to time. And over time, the sauce will darken and become thicker. Taste the sauce and add some extra sugar or salt if you think it needs it. After the 1.5 hours, the beef should be meltingly tender. Leave the lid off and reduce the sauce to a thick, cloying consistency, maybe another 15 minutes or so. And we're done. It's flavoursome and comforting, served with rice. Make sure you save some for tomorrow. The flavour is even better. A rendang paratha the next day is a beautiful thing. Well, once again I'm stuck for garnish for my post-cooking vodka and coke. Oh darn it, it's traditional. The lime leaf it is. Cheers my dears. Well, thanks Intan for this dependable family recipe. If you liked this video, well, you got this far, you may as well click that like button and subscribe as a reward. I commend you for getting this far. So until next time, bye!